Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a payment method on TikTok. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app and log into your account. Adding a payment method is required if you want to buy coins or send gifts during live streams. Now, tap your profile icon at the bottom right. Then, tap the three-line menu at the top right and choose Balance. Here you'll see your current coin balance. Tap Get Coins to continue. Once you select a coin package, TikTok will open the Google Play payment screen. Tap the arrow beside your current payment option and choose Add Payment Method. You can add a debit or credit card or select local options like Gcash, Maya, or Shopee Pay depending on your region. After selecting your preferred method, enter your details and confirm. Your new payment method will now be saved as the default for future purchases. To test it, try buying a small coin package. If it goes through, you're good to go. You can now send gifts or support your favorite creators on TikTok Live. And that's it. That's how to add a payment method on TikTok. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch our next tutorial.